Hello everyone. So we have this interesting geometry question from one of the math exam from Australia. Here we need to find the circumference of this given circle. Okay, we need to find the circumference. So what is circumference of any circle? It is 2 pi r, correct? We need to find the radius of this circle to find the circumference. How we will solve this? See, we are given certain things. What are these things? XB is 3 centimeter and XY is 5 centimeter, correct? Now what we can do, we can join O and Y. O is the center and Y is any point on the circumference. I'm joining O and Y. If I join OY becomes the radius. OY becomes the radius, or I can take it as R centimeter. Okay, this is R centimeter. Fine. Now, after this, we can find OX. How? See, if you look carefully, O is the center and B is any point on the circumference. That means OB is the radius again. OB is radius again. Correct? Now, OB is made up of two parts, OX and XB. Correct? If we solve this, what we will get? We will get R equals to, what is OX? We don't know. What is XB? XB is 3 centimeter. Now, if we solve this, we will get OX as R minus 3 centimeter. Yes, OX is R minus 3 centimeter. So, let's write it down here. OX is R minus 3 centimeter. Correct. Let me put these things in the box. This is one thing, this is one thing, this is another thing, right? We will be needing all these things that I'm keeping in the boxes. Okay, now from here, I will be jumping to a right triangle. Which right triangle? This right triangle, OXY. I will be jumping to this right triangle, OXY. Let me write it down. Right triangle, OXY. And what we will be doing? We will be applying Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Let's apply Pythagoras theorem. This will be OX square plus XY square equals to OY square. So what is OX? OX is R minus 3 whole square. What is XY? XY is 5 centimeter given to us. 5 square equals to OY. OY is radius again. Now if we expand this using algebraic identity, we will get R square plus 9 minus 6R plus 25 equals to R square. Now R square and R square get cancelled. We will get 6R is equals to 34. That means radius will turn out to be 34 by 6 or 17 by 3. So what is the radius of the circle? Radius of the circle is 17 by 3 centimeters. Correct. But this is not a final answer. What do we need to find out? We need to find the circumference of the circle. Yes. So what is the circumference? As I told you, it is 2 pi r. 2 times pi times r. That is 17 by 3. Correct. Now, if we solve this, what we will get? So, pi is 22 by 7. Correct. Times 17 by 3. If we solve this, we will get 748 by 21 centimeters. So this is the circumference of the circle. Correct. This is our final answer. Circumference is nothing but the perimeters, right? So this question mark is 748 by 21 centimeters. I hope you enjoyed the solution. If yes, please like the video, subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.